Hi guys, welcome. So today I've been going around and ceramic coating my cabinets and I thought, well, I might as well just turn the camera on for this. This is one of those things that when you ceramic coat your car, you often end up with some left over, right? So for example, on the SLC 300, I did thick from Detail Co. And I still have like half a bottle of that left over because the car isn't enormous, right? And most coatings come in a 30 ml bottle. You know, over the years, I've used kind of some of the extra that I've had, and I've done a cabinet here or there, or a cabinet door, or, you know, something like that, just to kind of use them up and not throw those away, right? If you have an unopened coating, it'll last for quite a while. An opened coating doesn't. I will say that's weather dependent, and coatings for me tend to last a really, really, really long time, because my weather is super consistent. So, you know, I have like a bottle of Armor Wheel that I've been using for 2 years that has no solids floating in it or anything like that. I was going through some of my coatings and I decided that I would do some of my cabinets. And this is fairly easy to do. Doesn't take a lot of time. Let me grab some gloves just so that I'm doing it well on camera. Now, if you do decide to do your cabinets, I would say you shouldn't clean them with a panel wipe, most likely, because you'll end up with like swipes like this. So my recommendation would be that you're going to clean them with like a rinseless, and then we can apply. So I have a Detail Co. applicator here, and just do this in sections. You have to be careful that you don't get a high spot. Because that high spot's not going to be able to be buffed off the way that you could buff off a high spot on something like a car, because cabinets aren't going to have clear coat in most cases. But if you're in a forgiving climate, it should be okay. So get this frame. It's not quite done yet. What I'm using here is Ethos Easy Peasy. And most coatings are going to work well for this. I would say if I was buying a coating for this, I would probably pick something like Armor Wheel or Fine Labs wheel coating, you know, something specifically designed for wheels. Because not all wheels have clear coat. I think those tend to be a little bit more durable. Give this a minute to flash. And what you're going to find is on the black surfaces, like this powder coated surface, it dries really quick. And you end up with like a slightly shinier sheen. So that's really nice. And it does help to flatten out, like if you have any inconsistencies with your paint, it can help to even those out as well, which is kind of cool. So I'm using the Autofiber quadrant towels. I do really like these quite a bit because of the numbers. Makes it super easy to see where you're at. So do a cabinet like that, and then I'm just gonna flip this over. We're gonna go to side 5. And that's it, nice and simple. So on these cabinets, I'm doing 3 sides and the top. So I've just been like clearing everything off and doing the tops as well. And you know, this side here, you have to slide it out a little bit to get at the bottom half of it. But I think it comes out great. It gives you like a nice consistent finish, especially on the black, and just makes them a little bit more chemical resistant. So if you get some sort of chemical on them, you spill something, you dump something, you just get a little bit longer of a chance to fix that, right? So anyway, that's all I have for now. I'm just gonna continue working through and getting all of these done. At this point, I have one more upper and two lowers, and then the left side and top of this one. So anyway, that's all I have for today. Thank you for watching, and have yourself a great day.